Good morning, sunshine. This was about 6:15 on August the 3rd. I put the GoPro out the front, the old GoPro that is, looking at the Rose of Sharon, hoping to catch the hawk moth pollinating it. It was the tail end of the wet weather week, so there were still clouds in the sky. I also put one of our brightest flashlights on the rail, aimed at the Rose of Sharon. And I did catch some moths, but I think this is mostly drops of mist blowing in the wind. It was the time of morning when the crickets and katydids make a lot of sound. And before the hummingbirds, cardinals, and mockingbirds start singing their breakfast songs. This middle segment is speeded up times 64. And it took place between 6:30 and 6:50. About the time I start hearing birds. And in this last part, the hummingbirds started feeding at the hummingbird feeders. There you go. Hehe. I just got a new memory card and I'm trying to capture faster frames.